Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, it is July the 9th, 2022, and we are looking at some of our vines that are growing all the way up the lead lines. Now, these are the Dioscorea alata yam vines, okay? And they really are growing like weeds now. I mean, really intense growth. I mean, they've made it all the way up there, and they're continuing to move. What they're doing is spreading their network for gathering energy and transferring that energy down, all the way down the vine to the yam that they're producing underground. So they're producing a network to catch energy and be able to store it in the starchy yam that they're producing underground. And let me tell you, I wasn't expecting this kind of rapid growth. This is my first full year of really growing these things. And the success is really tremendous so far as, you know, what we see with the vines. But toward the end of the year, when we start to hit into the winter, I may do a yam check for the yam underground, see what it takes to produce a big yam, whether or not we get small yams, medium yams, all that stuff. We're going to see all the different variables that apply, and you know what conditions it takes to produce the big yams, the 100 and some odd pound size yams. Let's go look at the other controlled section of the yard where we placed a whole bunch of these yam vines. Alright, here's the other side of the yard where we're growing these yam vines, and they're all pretty much taking to the lead lines. It's really good to see this. Some are growing faster than others. I think it has a lot to do with how much water is in the ground. This area is a little bit drier than the other areas, so a little less water. But you're seeing a lot of success and progress. Now the crazy part is when one of these vines, if it gets pinched or something, it really doesn't kill it at all, because all the energy is stored in the root, in the yam underground. All it does is throw off a new shoot or two or three. It's really an incredible, almost an alien-like type of plant. So I mean, if you look here, it's got two new shoot sets, or yeah, I think two there. It's hard to tell unless I get really close to it, try to figure it out. But really incredible, the growth. And you know, they'll grow multiple vines out from between the leaves. So, and also when you clip these, if you cut them between the leaves and you want to propagate your yams, that's easy to do. I mean, we've already shown and demonstrated success of that from videos that we've been producing all the way from last year through and into this year, all the way up to now. And you can check the backstory on the Dioscorea alata yam vines that we have just by clicking on the link at the top right of this video at the end. That will take you to the playlist which contains all of the backstory of these yam vines. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as we'll keep you updated on the progress of these Dioscorea alata yams. Have a great day.